Well, first up on the bulletin, big breaking news. This one is coming in from the Parliament where the session is currently on. Sources are telling Times Now that the opposition is planning to move a no-confidence motion against Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. In fact, currently a meeting is on to decide upon the matter in LOP, Rahul Gandhi's chambers, even as we speak. So what's happening there? Let me go across to Niyamika, who's joining us with all the details. Niyamika, what are sources telling us? What's going to be the opposition's game plan? And I believe it's going to be targeted against the Speaker of Lok Sabha.
Well, yes, indeed, this is the latest information which we are getting, that the opposition is currently planning to move the no confidence motion notice against the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. The three major issues which they are going to arise is one, for the leader of opposition not being allowed to speak within the House. Second, the way in which Nishikant Dubey had used some quotes from the books within the House. The opposition is basically making this allegation that this shows the double standards of the speaker, the way in which Rahul Gandhi was stopped from addressing the House, stating that it is not allowed as per the parliamentary norms to use a quote from a book which is not yet being released. On the other side, Nishikant Dubey had also done the same thing. So all of these allegations are going to be leveled against the Lok Sabha Speaker, is what the sources are telling Times Now. Third important point which they have informed Times Now is that the way in which the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla has mentioned about the women MPs who are holding a protest just in front of the Prime Minister's chair within Lok Sabha, the way in which the Speaker Om Birla has stated that some unprecedented move were planned by the opposition parties. All of these issues are going to be taken up, and that is the only reason why currently it is being possible that the opposition parties are likely to move the no confidence motion notice against the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. They are basically making this allegation that the opposition voice is getting muzzled down. They are not being allowed to speak within the House. Their voice is getting silenced, and that is what we are witnessing. The way in which the opposition parties are continuously holding protests, which are also leading to the adjournment of the House as well. The 8 suspended MPs are continuously protesting at the Makar Dwar, holding posters and banners. On the other side, the rest of the MPs are doing sloganeering within the House. They are basically stating that it is the right of the opposition parties to speak within Lok Sabha, and that is the reason why they are saying that firstly the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi should speak within the House, and then only they are going to stop holding this protest both inside the Parliament as well as outside the Parliament.
So we expect this face-off to only intensify as the week begins. Remember, we've seen a lot of disruptions even today earlier when the Parliament had convened. We had seen a lot of sloganeering, chanting and disruptions by the opposition benches following to its adjournment. It is expected to now reconvene as well, but now opposition may just be mulling no confidence motion against the Speaker Om Birla. In fact, do stay on with us, Niyamika. We expect Rahul Gandhi to be speaking very shortly. We'll get you that live in just a moment when he starts speaking. Meanwhile, this is what Congress's KC Venugopal has to say.
You can see in this session, leader of opposition is not being allowed to speak anything in this House. Well, there is no space for opposition in this House at all. You can verify, you can check the records of this Parliament, this House. This type of attitude towards the opposition is not happened any time. After action, you will get no.
The entire opposition is united.
Entire opposition is united for all this, because all opposition are suffering.
And there are reports coming that opposition might move a confidence motion. How do you?
I cannot comment on reports. Wait for actions.
मुझे लगता है कि लोकसभा में जो कांग्रेस के नेता हैं वो खुद ही हाउस नहीं चलाना चाहते हैं। मैं अनुरोध करता हूं कि जो व्यवहार कांग्रेस के सांसदों ने किया है स्पीकर के साथ और टेबल में चढ़ करके और स्पीकर का चैम्बर अंदर में घुस करके जो किया है उससे स्पीकर साहब को भी आहत हुआ है और लगा। आगे हम तो हाउस चलाना चाहते हैं। अगर एमपीज बोलने के लिए मौका नहीं मिलेंगे तो जिम्मेदार कांग्रेस पार्टी का होगा।